biggest developer right now, and we are one of the fastest growing and most aggressive construction company right now. But more than the investment in our company, we're looking beyond that and looking at more business opportunities later on.
Okay, speaking of those business opportunities, beyond the C family, what else will be your drivers of growth?
We're looking to grow a company through more mass housing projects, the lower income sectors, and we're looking to join the PPP program to tie up with a private company.
So you're interested in the government's PPP initiative?
Yeah, in the infrastructure projects, yeah.
Okay, all right. Can you be a little more specific with the government's PPP initiatives? What specifically would you guys be looking into?
Because of our existing technologies right now, we can do roads, MRTs, bridges, or even airports for them.
Okay. So how has the demand for this been from institutional investors?
The demand has been great. We are talking to several institutions right now.
Okay. Could you, apart from the C group, could you tell us who else is it?
We'll disclose it at the right time.
Okay. All right. Where will the proceeds of this IPO be put towards?
50% of the proceeds will be allocated for. We will be constructing a precast facility. It's a prefabrication plant. Then the other halves will be for the acquiring of the earth moving equipment and some cranes for building construction. I think this will help us sustain our growth by increasing the production and not increasing the manpower. This will because we're looking at with the SMDC's growth for the 2011 and 2012.
Talking about revenues, in 2010, I understand revenues reached 320 million pesos. Are you looking to sustain this, increase this in 2011?
Actually, we're looking at more than doubling the last year's revenues and earnings.
On the back of, what would this be on the back of?
With our construction backlog and new projects and going to mass housing, and also maybe starting some new infrastructure projects with a private company.
What sets you guys apart from all the other construction firms out there?
I guess, Mikey, because of our construction system, we have pioneered many construction methodologies. We're the most advanced when it comes to building construction in technology and in systems. But aside from this, we managed to give a low-cost price for our customer, for the developers. Like, I guess that's one of the reasons why we cornered more than 70% of SMDC's project.
All right. Well, another concern for investors are higher oil prices, inflation. How are you hedging against all of this as a construction firm?
Well, early 2000, we have that experience before. So when the steel prices shoot up, went double, then it was a bad experience for us. We didn't hedge the steel component, so we lost some money at that project. So I guess after that we came up with a policy that every time we get new projects, we have a hedging program, particularly for steel and some metal products. So last 2008-2009, where we have another steel prices shoot up again, I guess we're one of the few contractors who were able to sustain that price increase.
All right, so learning from your mistakes.
Yeah.
Right, thank you for your time this evening, Mike and Edgar.
Okay, thank you, Mikey.
We're taking a short break.